Hi everyone! Today I have a fun drinks recipe for you. We're going to make winter white sangria, and we're going to use seasonal fruits. Now the fruits that are in season this time of year are citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, but also apples and kiwi. So I have some of everything. I think it's going to be a really fun recipe. Let me show you how we're going to make it. We've washed our fruit. We've trimmed up our kiwi, and now we're going to slice everything to put into the sangria. We're going to start by placing some of our fruits in the bowl. This is the white wine we've selected, because this is a winter white sangria, as you can see. This is a nice Italian Pinot Grigio, and I love the little Vespa on the cover, but I've had this before, it's pretty good. We'll also be adding a little Italian mineral water. You could use club soda, but anything that adds a little sparkle. Don't be shy, put that whole bottle in there. You might even want to use two. Not using the whole bottle, just adding some sparkle. Make it sort of a spritz. Pop in some blueberries for color. Get out the old Italian wooden spoon and give it a stir. Smells so good. And now we're going to serve this up in some pretty glasses. That fun, and it comes out really pretty too. I hope you tried this recipe for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!